5, this is the market potential index comparison. Be as well aware of getting like the latest. Because I remember module 3, there was like a very nice and long report. That was not an article, that was like the Bible. I don't know how many pages, but good information, selected by countries. The problem that was from 2001, right? So we want to get like the latest information that we can. From 2012, 13, 14, 15, okay? That's better. That is what is it for me, but what you want to concentrate is what is for them. That's right, okay? Don't just, it's part of developing BATNA. Well, it's related to the ideal client, but as well as about business in general terms. Okay, what is the maximum that you think that they can reach in a negotiation? If I translate that into negotiation, it's like, what is their partner? What you think is their partner? What you think is their maximum? Do you want to push it? Do you want to maybe, by pushing it too much, becoming something that I'm not fair and violating some of those rules of not being fair? Do I want to push it too much or not?
That's kind of tricky because you can kill a relationship.
Of course, but usually once you are on the process of negotiating, you are already building a relationship. They don't negotiate with you like in America, right? I'm asking you, you have been in China negotiating with Chinese.
Well, in China, you definitely negotiate everything because the first price that they offer is always way high.
Yeah, but to the point that when you are negotiating with the price, have you already established a type of relationship? When you talk about real facts, or you have been through a process of getting to know each other before?
Well, in a situation where I didn't know a person before, I developed a relationship with them to build trust. And then I knew what I wanted to pay based on my the lowest price I wanted to pay. And basically I started lower than that and then worked up.
Okay, it's always ideal, to get to do your research on the partner if possible.
But I developed a relationship first.
You see? So you are telling me you develop a relationship. We are not just talking about business relationship. You must have like a personal relationship, like build a kind of a friendship before you do business. That's not true. No. In the south of Spain, maybe in certain very traditional fields, that works like that. But it's much more American way in that aspect. Yes, it's important to build a relationship, okay? But I don't have to be your friend first. Kind of friend, okay? It's the pace. Something I was reading as well in one of the articles, it was about the pace of building relationship. In certain countries, goes very slowly, in others like it's moderate, and in others it's like faster. Within the same group of emerging markets, so we gotta take that into account as well. Internationalization process, so you have your motives, you have analyzed the opportunities, the risk, okay, the business environment. Now you have an idea of how you want to entry. Through an intermediary, you do an export, you get like a joint venture, that would be later, okay? Hofstede, very important for knowing who you are dealing with.